Hello everyone, in today's video let's see how to make an easy, delicious tricolor vegetable quinoa pulao in Indian style. So for those who don't know what is a quinoa, here's a short image. It is full of protein and fiber, and if you're looking for a gluten-free, low-calorie, weight loss friendly food at the same time which is delicious, quinoa is your go-to. So before any further delay, let's quickly jump on to the recipe. So here I'm taking a saucepan and I'm adding 2 cups of water because I'm going to be using 1 cup of quinoa. So 2 cups of water in your saucepan and add in your quinoa. Don't forget to wash until the water runs clear. So just give it a quick stir, and all you need to do is bring it to boil and pop the lid on and let it do its thing. It approximately takes 15 minutes. So you just don't have to stir or anything, just leave it. So after 15 minutes, once all the water is absorbed, it looks like this. So probably you might want to turn off the stove, give it a stir. Even if you see a little bit of water, it will settle down, it will absorb. So just give it a stir and close the lid. So when we come back, all the water will be gone. So see, if you see, it should be soft, and you should be able to mash it through your fingers. So I'm just gonna let it sit, and let's move on to making the pulao. So take a saucepan. So here I'm using olive oil, so you can use any oil of your choice. So add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil is hot, add in your whole garam masala spices. Here I'm using bay leaf, clove, cardamon and cinnamon. So let it temper, give it a quick stir, and then add 1 teaspoon of cumin and let it pop. And for spice, today I'm using green chilies, so 2 green chilies slit. Give it a stir, and we can add 1 large onion. I've sliced it thin. I'm using red onions here. So give it a quick stir, let it sweat, and we're adding the salt for the onions so that it gets cooked faster. And then I'm also adding 2 tablespoons of raw peanuts. So the oil will cook through them. And once the onions turn golden brown, we can add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Give it a mix. So saute it for about 2 minutes until the raw smell goes. And then here I'm adding 2 cups of vegetables. It can be anything of your choice. Here I'm adding carrot, beans and green peas. And then also I'm adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And then I'm adding a 1/4 cup of water, just to let the veggies cook. So pop the lid on and leave it for about 8 to 10 minutes until the vegetables are cooked nice and crisp. So they are almost done. So now I'm going to add broccoli. So I'm adding 1 cup of broccoli and quickly giving it a stir, and let the broccoli cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. So now our veggies are almost cooked through. So now we can add juice of half a lemon. It brings the flavor together. Or you can even use yogurt. So this is almost done. Just let's add in the quinoa. So see, all the water is absorbed and it's dry now. So give it a mix evenly. Keep the stove on medium to low flame, and then adjust the salt here. So this is about 5 to 6 servings, so you can store it up in your refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. So make sure to pack in individual boxes so that you can just take one box, heat it up, and yeah. And then I'm adding a little bit of cilantro, gives a nice flavor. So that's it. Pop the lid on and keep it in the lowest flame and let it combine and bring the flavors out for about 5 to 10 minutes. We call it dum. So just keep it in dum for 5 to 10 minutes, and then that's it. Our quinoa pulao is ready now. So do try it. It's tasty, packed with everything. So I'm sure you will like it. Do try and let me know. So here is a delicious quinoa. You can have it with onion yogurt raita along with some cucumbers, or if you are a non-vegetarian, you can have it with a piece of salmon or chicken. Enjoy.